TurboTax versus TaxAct, a clash of tax titans. Two big names, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, TurboTax, user-friendly tax filing with premium guidance. And on the right, TaxAct, budget tax software for savvy filers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, let's do a quick mind map so you know what to expect. We're going to hit 7 categories: price, ease of use, tax forms and complexity, customer and audit support, small business and self-employed, transparency and pricing, and state returns. Got all that? Cool. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about price. TurboTax, honestly, tends to be kind of pricey, especially if you want anything beyond the free tier. Sure, there's discounts for really simple returns, and you do get bundled support, but it does get expensive quick. Like upsells and hidden fees? Oh, you'll see those. Now, TaxAct comes in swinging with lower prices almost across the board, and they're super upfront about it. I mean, you know exactly what you're going to pay thanks to their price lock guarantee, and they'll even let you amend your returns for free. Downside, their free tier isn't as generous, and you won't get as many bundled perks. But let's be real, for price, TaxAct definitely takes the win here. Jumping into ease of use, TurboTax has that super polished walkthrough vibe. It's honestly the best step-by-step interface I've seen, and it makes new filers feel like a pro. Sometimes, though, it throws a bunch of features at you, which can feel overwhelming if you just have a W-2 and that's it. Meanwhile, TaxAct's interface, well, it's straightforward, maybe not slick, but it gets the job done, especially if you know what you're doing. It's missing a bit of that hand-holding, though. Bottom line, TurboTax is a clear winner when it comes to ease of use. Next, tax forms and complexity. TurboTax seriously flexes here. Whether you've got investments, rental income, crypto, multi-state returns, even foreign income, they've got you covered. You might have to pay more for some of the fancy stuff, but it's all there. With TaxAct, you're set for most basic IRS forms, and it's fine if your situation's relatively simple. If you get into advanced scenarios, though, you're going to have to bump up to their higher tiers. So, for handling the complex, TurboTax wins again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know TurboTax processed over 40 million tax returns in 2024? That's wild! Seriously, those numbers are insane. Let's talk customer and audit support. TurboTax brings the heat. You've got 24/7 support, live access to tax pros and CPAs if you pay for those higher tiers, and pretty solid audit defense, although sometimes that costs extra. TaxAct, on the other hand, includes basic audit support with clear help docs, but don't expect anyone to hold your hand if things get dicey with the IRS. Limited live support too, so if you want real people helping you, TurboTax is hands down better here. Now, small business and self-employed features. TurboTax can feel like it's made for freelancers, gig workers, side hustlers, you name it. Their guidance for stuff like broker imports and expense tracking is honestly top-notch, but yeah, if you're just a tiny business, it can get pricey. TaxAct is way more affordable for simple self-employed returns. And they've got desktop software if you like doing your taxes old school. But compared to TurboTax's depth and integrations, it's not even close. TurboTax is the winner, again, for small business tools. Transparency and pricing. This one's interesting. TurboTax does run some promos for newbies, but man, those upsells and add-ons can be sneaky. So your final price can creep up fast. Hard to see the total until checkout, which, is not my favorite. TaxAct flexes here with their price lock guarantee. Basically, what you see is what you pay, and there aren't a bunch of nasty surprises. Only catch is, the lower price tiers don't always have all the features if your taxes get complicated. Still, in terms of being transparent and upfront, TaxAct totally wins. And lastly, state returns. TurboTax will sometimes toss in a free state return for basic filers, but if you need more, expect to pay somewhere between $25 and $64 per state. TaxAct, though, is usually easier on your wallet. Their per-state fees are more affordable, and it's simple to file multi-state if you need to. But heads up, if you're using their desktop software, adding states can get spendy. So, for most people, TaxAct edges out TurboTax when it comes to state filings. So looking at all the categories together, TurboTax crushes it for ease of use, handling complex situations, and supporting small businesses. TaxAct is the star for price and transparency. The radar chart's basically a split. TurboTax for features and guidance, TaxAct for saving cash. All right, so here's the deal. If you're budget-focused and your taxes aren't super complicated, TaxAct is honestly a great choice. You get predictable pricing, decent coverage, and no shocking add-ons. But if you want deep guidance, have funky investments or side gigs, or just want someone to help you out at 2 a.m., TurboTax is on another level. Even if you do pay more, it really depends on what you value most: simplicity in price or premium features and handholding. Like this comparison? Save it or share with your friends so you don't have to scramble when tax time hits. Trust me, you'll thank yourself next